Hello my friends, welcome to this video in which I will show you how to repair a lamp holder. In another video I've already shared with you how to repair a big lamp holder or a socket, and in the present video we'll be addressing the small one, which is a bit more challenging. Let's go. It is obvious that whenever you're touching electric wires, your lamp has to be unplugged. So very commonly your lamp holder will be broken like this. You can see here that there is the top of the lamp holder, and this here is a model with a lampshade, and here's the bottom where there are these two pieces which are holding the top piece. So here it's obviously broken, so the first thing we're going to do is to remove this broken piece. And for doing so we can start to remove this lamp holder here. Voilà. So the first thing to do is to remove the bottom of the lamp holder, and if it's not opening, it means it is held by this nut here. So then you just take a spanner or this tool here and you unscrew. In releasing the power between these two pieces, this will free the top of the lamp holder. We have removed the defect bottom of the lamp holder. You can take it with you for going to the shop to check that it's the same diameter. I mean, I've seen so far two sizes. And one important comment is that when you're buying the new lamp holder in the shop, this one here is without the grooves for placing the lampshade. Careful about this. Probably you can also buy some with a groove here, but anyway, in our case it doesn't matter, because what we need is to replace this broken piece. For this you just undo this side with a screwdriver, then you hold it on this side, and then you take the other. Voilà, now we have our new lamp holder. So now of course we are very tempted for putting this here, but it's too early. So now we can place back on the lamp the new lamp holder. So now we can connect the old socket. So careful about one thing is the length of the wires, because you need a certain additional length for connecting the lamp holder. You can try to release a little bit the wires so that you have more space for placing the wires into the lamp holder. So here it may happen that you need to strip the wire because the copper parts just went away within the socket. I'm stripping this little wire. Now you plug in. Careful, sometimes you have some old copper wires which are still inside the old socket, so here there's another side, so we'll be taking the other side. So one big difference with the big lamp holder is that there are no screws for holding the wires, so you just basically plug them in inside the relevant connectors. So here I'm taking this one and this one. the brown one is well inside. It's very common when you have little space, little margin, you will then need this little plier. So now we're all good. There's no copper visible, which means the connections are okay. And now I can just put it back into this clamp. So you're checking if the fix has worked in plugging back the lamp. Careful, if the circuit breaker is breaking, it means that there's something wrong within the lamp. So once you've done the clearance, then you can put back the lamp shade. Then we put the bulb.
That's it, my friends. This is the end of the video. I hope that it will help you to change yourself your lamp holder successfully. If it's the case, please leave a like or subscribe to the channel. I have to tell you that I did this video when I was restoring this lamp I found in the street. Don't hesitate to join the video showing this fix, which is also addressing in more general terms the different steps for repairing such a lamp. So see you in a second on Happy Hour TV 1.